In this example, we're told $5,000 is borrowed at 10% per annum, compounded quarterly. Quarterly repayments of $150 are made. So what we're going to do first is look at our occurrence equation. So we're going to identify the information that we've been given. Firstly, we're told $5,000 is borrowed. That $5,000 is borrowed, that is going to be our principal. Our principal is V0. We're also told that there is 10% compounded quarterly. So the annual interest rate is 10%, but it is compounding quarterly. So we're going to have to divide that by 4 because there are 4 quarters. What that means is our little r is going to be 10 divided by 4, which is 2.5. So you're paying 2.5% per quarter. So we now have two things. V0 is 5,000, and we have the quarterly interest rate of 2.5%. We also know big R is equal to 1 plus the little r on 100, which is 1 plus 2.5 on 100, which is 1.025. So now we have two things for the equation. The equation for this situation is Vn plus 1 equals R times Vn minus D, where D is your repayment. So now, if we look at the last part of the statement of the question, it says repayments of $150 are made. So that means D is equal to 150. Let's write down our equation. Vn plus 1 equals R. R is 1.025 times Vn minus D, which was 150. We've now identified everything that was in our question. So we could go ahead and work out a whole series of things like this about how much is owed or not owed. Will this ever be paid off or not paid off? If we went ahead and said, well, V0 is equal to 5,000, V1 is equal to 1.025 times V0 minus 150, 1.025 times V0, V0 was 5,000, minus 150 gives you 4,975. You can see you borrowed 5,000, you now owe 4,975 after 1 quarter. That means that you will eventually pay off the loan.